Welcome to Beauty in the Broken. My name is Heather, and the goal of this channel is to create and share beauty in a world that so often feels like so many things are broken. And sometimes we feel like maybe ourselves, maybe we are broken. So I would like to challenge that and create some beautiful things and have fun doing it and maybe show you how to do it. And we can create along together. This is just one of my projects. I'm going to be launching a podcast soon, and I've written a book, and so we're going to combine all of that together, and because they all share very, very similar themes, and so I hope to share them all with you. And just kind of I guess not a warning, but this channel is not going to be perfection. We're talking about beauty in the broken. Yeah, there's going to be messes. There's going to be imperfections. There's going to be things that don't work and things that don't look right. But you know what? There's going to be beauty in them. We're going to find the beauty and we're going to share it. And that is my hope for this channel. And my hope for you is that you learn to see beauty, that we all learn to see beauty, and then we share it. Because this world will be much better if we are all just sharing a little bit of beauty and taking the time to recognize the beauty that's out there. Because it's there. It's always there. Keep looking for beauty. You'll find it. I promise. Bye-bye.